Class 10B, the computer of this seminar. I heartily welcome you all on this show where my two speakers will be debating on the topic during this harsh pandemic whether elections should be conducted or not. But foremost, I am very thankful to our mentor, our faculty, Danish sir, for giving us this tremendous opportunity to speak before you all. So let's welcome our first speaker, Sana Israel, who is going to be in favor of this topic, and our second speaker, Zoya Ashraf, who is going to be against of this topic. Before that, I want to request you all that please listen every point and every thinking aspect of the speaker carefully so that you should also get some awesome viewpoints about this topic. So I would like to invite Sana to give her sentiments about this wonderful topic.
Hello friends, I am Sana Israel of class 10B and today I am going to say about election should be held or not during this pandemic. According to me, election in every country are held in the fixed period of time and in India after 5 years. During this development, 5 years activities are planned and funds at allotment are made. And if election will not held after the completion of this tenure, then ultimately development activities will become dormant. Moreover, according to the People Representation Act, everybody has right to choose their own government and also having right to fight election. Once election will not be conducted, then it will be a violation of act. Even during any type of pandemic like COVID-19, but provided all precaution must be followed like social distancing, wearing mask, not gathering, etc. We also must follow government instruction being given time to time. So at last I conclude that I am in strongly favor of conducting election after completion of its fixed term.
Thank you so much, Sana, for giving your awesome point of view. You have very well said that according to the People Representation Act, every citizen of the country has right to choose their own government and fighting elections. And if elections will not be conducted, then it will be a violation of act. Now, let's know something about Zoya's belief, what she wants to share about this with us as being against of it.
Hello everyone, I am Zoya Ashraf of class 10B. Today I am going to form a debate on the topic election should be held or not during this pandemic. As we all know that the entire world is facing problem of the COVID-19 and in due course of time the virus corona is replicating its new mutant to the entire world, which is more dangerous and deadly to the previous one. Many more deaths are reported in the world. In this adverse situation, we should not think about holding election. People start gathering for election related activities such as nominations, voting, counting and rallies, etc. Despite clear-cut instruction given by the government and the code of conduct by election commission are not being adhered by the people. We don't have sufficient number of police personnel to control and check on people's gathering over particular place or movement from one place to another. Under this situation, coronavirus will infect so many people, thereby causing COVID-19 pandemic more.
Thank you so much, Zoya, for sharing your delightful idea related to this topic. You were too right that during this adverse situation, we cannot think about holding elections as people did not follow the guidelines properly. They start gathering during voting, rallies, etc. Now, I want to serve a question dropped by Zoya Ashraf for Sana. The question is, what will happen if corona guidelines are not being followed by the people? So Sana, we want answer from you.
If that happens, then as the today's world is a digital world, so we can go for election digitally so that votes can be counted at home and there's no question of spreading pandemic.
So Sana, may you please tell everyone that how election will be conducted by digital platform? Another question from Zoya.
My answer to this is just that now it is every individual is having mobile phone, so election commission can send a link by clicking on the ballot paper will open and people can vote as per their choice, just as our classes are going nowadays.
Sana, it's really admirable that you replied to the question so beautifully. Now I want to present a question posted by Sana Israel for Zoya. So the question is, As Anna mentioned that election can be held digitally. So Zoya, are you satisfied with this? Do you agree with this that election can be conducted by digital platform?
Also, I don't agree with this because in a country like India, many citizens are illiterate and they cannot read those messages over the mobile phone. Moreover, network is also a big issue in India. Message will not be received timely to everyone. So it is not possible to hold election as of now. And during this pandemic, we should have more concentration and vigilance on saving people of our country rather than having elections.
Thank you so much, Zoya, for giving such a brilliant answer to us. Therefore, I hope you enjoyed this segment. You can also give your opinion about this topic. Till then, bye bye.